We're here with Aberystwyth Town manager Matthew Bishop after the Carmarthen game. Matthew, disappointing result, I suppose. What's your overriding emotion after that performance?
Disappointment, I think. A bit of frustration along the way. I think we've gifted Carmarthen with a own goal. Will Bell's held his hand up in the dressing room and said, look, he apologises about that. We created some chances. We particularly had a good start, second half. Probably dominated for about 20 minutes, but never really threatened and took any chances that we created. And the difference I think between the two teams is that they took theirs, and I'm very disappointed about the 3 goals that we gave away, and we've got to find a way to try and stem this, because that's 10 goals now we've conceded in 3 games, and but we've got a group of players that I do believe in, and I think they are good enough. I think we're just having that early spell where whether a bit of luck is not on our side, or a bit of bad decision making we're getting punished for, and we've got to cut that out, and hopefully we find a way to start scoring some goals.
And you'll probably be glad of having a training session with the boys, because you haven't had one for about 3 weeks, is that right?
No, that's right, and it's a chance for us to get back in. Something was mentioned earlier on about being able to get back on the pitch and do some stuff and work with players. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that. Obviously we've got quite a bit to work on, so but we'll go back on Wednesday now, and we'll get back together as a group, and I'm sure the players, and I know the players, they're hurting today, and they want to put things right.
Yeah, and Carmarthen are a tough, resolute side.
Yeah.
In some ways. Perhaps we can expect something different, same type of challenge next week at Connors Quay.
Well, they're a strong side as well. They've got threats all over the pitch. They're solid. They've been up there. They're one of the title contenders as well. So that's obviously going to be a very, very difficult game for us, and against another away fixture for us. So we've got to crack on now and try and see if we can get something out of the next game.
Thanks very much, Matthew.